Hello and welcome back to section 15. In this video we'll be going over example 3. Example 3 asks us to simplify a signal function and then plot it. So I have rewritten it here. Basically we're going to simplify the function v of t is equal to 2t minus 1 times u of t minus 1, and then we're going to plot it. So to simplify it, let's just focus on this t minus 1 times u of t minus 1. Like, we're going to ignore the 2 for right now, okay? We'll bring it back in a second. So we're going to focus on just this part for right now. So if I make a table, so we have t, which would be our input. I will have t minus 1, u of t minus 1, and ultimately v. So if I put in, say, 0, then t minus 1 is negative 1. U of a negative number, sorry, you can't see that. U of a negative number is 0. Therefore, we're going to take negative 1 times 0, and we're going to get 0. If time is equal to 1 second, then t minus 1 is 0. U of 0, so it depends on how you look at it. So let's say it's 1 minus. So it's just before time equals 1. Then we're going to get 0, and 0 times 0 is 0. So let's say it's 1 plus. So it's just after, so it's like 1.00000001. So that's basically 0 when I do 1 minus 1. So this is 0 minus, this is 0 plus. But this is going to turn on. Still 0. Okay? What about 2 seconds? Well, 2 minus 1 is 1. This is greater than 1. Sorry, this is greater than 0. So this will be on. So 1 times 1 is 1. And we'll do one more. Do it 3 seconds. So this is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. This is greater than 0, so this will be on. Then this column can only be on or off. And then 2 times 1 is 2. So if you plotted this, so say we had 0, then what would happen? Well, we know we have nothing at 0. We have nothing at 1. When I get to 2 seconds, I'm going to be up here at 1. And when I get to 2 seconds, I'm going to be up here at 2. So this looks like a ramp function. A ramp function with a slope of 1. Because we have a rise of 1 and a run of 1. So we could have derived that. So we're going to go back and think about that function I gave you in example 1. The ramp function is r of t. It can be rewritten as as t times u of t. But what we have is actually r of t minus 1. We have it delayed by 1 second. So that is t minus 1 times u of t minus 1. So notice that we have to match. So whatever's inside of here has to match over here. So knowing that, then all we have up here is 2 times r of t minus 1. So if I wanted to plot that, so I'll rewrite it down here. So we have v of t equal to 2r t minus 1. And so you don't have to simplify your functions if you don't want to. And if you don't have graph paper, it's okay. Do your best. Make sure you label your key points. So this is going to start at time equals 1 second. So that'd be the first point I'm going to put on here. So this is 1 second. So we're going to model. So this is time and this is voltage. We know this has a slope of 2. So at 2 seconds, we're going to go up 1, 2. And then I'll do one more at 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could, and this will just keep going because it doesn't actually stop ever. So you could model that however you want. So we could say, oh, well, this is 4. So I guess not 4, that's 2. This would be 4 up here. Because again, this is a rise of 2 and a run of 1. And then this is going to be 2, so this has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be your plot for that one. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.